Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars. As you can see, it's a dreary, rainy Thursday and I'm here in the shop and I wanted to do a quick little review on what's in the case. So stay tuned, let's find out. Alright, so what's in the case? It's a ring compressor tool. Yay! This is what we used to do our LS1 build and to compress the rings on the pistons and to install them in the cylinders. So, yeah, so let me grab a basic ring compressor tool. So this right here is kind of your basic ring compressor tool that you'll find at like Harbor Freight and maybe the AutoZone type stores. And as you can see, it's a piece of thin sheet metal wrapped around a strap, two straps that you then tighten to compress the rings. So you would slide this over the piston, tighten it up, and it would compress the rings, right? Okay, so that's how that works. This one, you pull out a band which is close to the diameter of your ring, right? Something like this. And then you take, I'm trying to do it with one hand since I'm recording with the other. Then you take your pliers, which have this special configuration, and you strap them on there. So this is what it ends up looking like. When you put that around your piston by the rings, and you squeeze, and it compresses the rings. And then we found that this makes a handy handle, and then you just lower your piston down into the cylinder and tap the top of the piston down so it goes all the way into the cylinder, and boom, done. Super handy, way easier to just like take this and go whoop than having to mess with this. As you can see, it's not even fully round. You know, getting to go over the piston and then adjusting this lever so that it tightens it up properly. It's just this is like, I don't know, this could work. I mean, this will work, but this is so much more handy. Now, I got it on Amazon. It's called a I think the brand name is like Coach, but they spell it C-O-C-H-E. So maybe Coach. Anyway, I'll flash up a picture of the Amazon ad for this item. However, the last time I checked, it said none were available. So I don't know if it's just from this distributor that none were available. But it costs about 28 bucks, which is pretty cheap. Comes in this case, the plier, a vast array of rings, so that it can fit many different size pistons. I'm sure you can find any that would work, or appropriate size that would work for any motor available. So anyway, in my opinion, far easier to use, super quick. The plier makes a great grip to hold on to the piston as you lower it down into the cylinder. So yeah, overall it's a big thumbs up from me for this tool, and highly recommended. So if you go buy it, let me know what you think, or if you've used them before, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.